Hello, everyone. Today, we show you how to work the Gravedigger Freestyle Force RC truck, step by step, all the way through. We need to charge the Gravedigger RC truck. So first, undo the hatch. Get out the cord and plug it in to an outlet, or plug it in to a charging box. It got wrapped around, so it can charge. When the light is flashing, which means it's charging. When it stops, it's done. Whenever it stops flashing. Now, Gravedigger's ready to roll. Charging cable back very easily. It should look like this. Close the hatch. It's ready to go. You need to turn your truck on. The truck's light should be on. And if it's blinking, that means it's not connected to the controller yet. Turn on the controller. Once they stop blinking, they're connected. Now, if this doesn't work the first time, turn your truck off and turn the controller off. Then repeat the following steps. Like so. Turn your truck over, and you should be able to control Gravedigger RC. There are two steering toggles, one to go forward and one to turn. Turn each way in order to do it. It has two levels. Level 1, which I suggest staying on when you first get this, and level 2 for more advanced. He has two special features at the top. You press these buttons, and he'll pull off cool stunts. Just watch. To make him do a nose wheelie, to do a nose wheelie, hit the top button. He should pop up on his two front wheels, and hit it again to let him down. And hit the other one right here to make him do a wheelie. Turn continuously while in wheelie or nose wheelie to make him do this. And your Gravedigger Freestyle Force should perform well. Also, note, he is not waterproof like other RC trucks, and you must clean his tires or else he will not be able to perform these. This is a really, really fragile truck, so I would suggest taking care of it really well. This is me signing off now. Bye-bye!